Dear Olympic and Paralympic friends, the Beijing 2022 Olympic and Paralympic Games are approaching fast, and soon all eyes will be drawn on the host country, China, and its beautiful capital, Beijing. With these games, Beijing will write history. Beijing will be the first city ever to host both summer and winter editions of the Olympic and Paralympic Games. These games will be already the third Olympic event in China. After organizing the Beijing 28 Olympic Games and the Nanjing 2014 Youth Olympic Games, it's a beautiful performance. Every edition of the Olympic and Paralympic Games is a unique moment in history. The Beijing 2022 Games will be no exception. Athletes from around the globe will meet and will compete in a peaceful competition. They will respect the same rules and will respect each other. In Beijing, all athletes will be equal. The Dutch athletes of Team NL are much looking forward to the Beijing Games. After many years of tough training, hardship and perseverance, their Olympic or Paralympic dream comes true at last in Beijing. Finally, they can compete against their peers and perform at their best, and hopefully they will shine and reach the podium. For many Team NL athletes, the Beijing Games will be the pinnacle of their career. If they achieve a personal best or even gain one or more medals in Beijing, they will never forget they were there, and Beijing will be a part of their memory forever. Let me conclude by wishing all athletes from around the world inspiring and a safe Beijing 22 Olympic and Paralympic Games. While in Beijing, let us all live up to the Olympic motto: go faster, aim higher, and become stronger by standing together in solidarity.